Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 14th of June 2022. Where we at today following yesterday's downside volatility? Well, looks like just starting to pare back some of the earlier gains across these markets. As you can see, Bitcoin on the daily has just tipped into the red, and Ethereum looking to also move lower. You can see here Litecoin still in the green on the day, and so is Ripple, but you can start to see some risk assets across the board now, including equities, starting to fall over again off their earlier daily highs, and that's heading into, of course, the US traders coming online relatively shortly. But yesterday was pretty much a disaster across the board for crypto. Bitcoin down from 27,000, actually touched around the 21,000 handle just earlier on. So a huge move, almost down 30% on the day itself, and not looking too pretty. So I was asking the question in the chat room just before, where to from here? I don't see a quick sentiment change. I mean, yes, you could see a squeeze to the upside. We've seen that on Bitcoin in the past. We've seen a lot of sellers come through yesterday, leverage longs wiped out, but now could be a decent point around this 21,000 handle, which we discussed previously, where we do see some sort of a bounce. But if there was going to be a bounce, I was expecting it before 21. I think 21 was on my charts actually, just to highlight where MicroStrategy might be feeling a little bit of pain. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, of course, they've leveraged quite a lot of Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and the stock price has also been falling. But basically where we're at, you can see a similar range over the past week to what we saw in this area here. Maybe we start to see some consolidation, but don't forget, we've got a big day tomorrow. We've got the Fed, and 75 basis points is now being priced in by market participants. Anything less than that now, and that could be what causes a big squeeze to the upside. I'm talking maybe a move back into that, even back above 24, even back into the 27 handle could be a move that we could see. Not that that's going to be sustained, and again, it's not saying there's a turning point here in the markets, but it's just to be aware if you are shorting near the bottom, maybe just wait for a consolidated area, see what happens with the Fed. If they do raise at 75 basis points, again, that might already be what's priced in, so you don't see too much of a reaction. If they go 50, then again, also depending on Powell's tone about future hikes, this is something to watch out for. Apart from the initial hike, it might be a relief rally to the upside, but just be aware. 21, my next level down is all the way down in sub 20, so that's down at 17,630 currently. Ethereum 1183 is where we're currently at. We've got 1550 overhead. This market was down quite significantly yesterday, absolutely obliterated. Have seen a bit of a bounce, but again, that's turning around now. So we could be trading all the way down to 1000 from here. That's the round number target before 880, which is more of a technical target for me. Litecoin at 44, so we have gone below the 50 handle now, so not looking too great. So overhead, we've got to see a retrace back into 50, or otherwise we move down. I think my handle that I had on the on our levels, let me just check here, was 0.3. So I'm talking Ripple, so I'm talking 40 cents as the downside break. So that's basically the low of the day actually, so it bounced off that so far. So that 40 cents handle. Moving on to Ripple then, we were trading pretty much at this area where we're at right now yesterday. So not too much change from when I did this brief at this point yesterday. Downside, we've got to break through the 30 cents handle. You can see that's held quite nicely over the past few hours of trading. Overhead and move back through the 0.3345 for me. That's it from mine for the crypto session brief. I'll see you all in the chat room. Let's see what the rest of the day has to bring. Take care and bye for now.